Welcome back, infinite learners. Do you wish to know how to face swap faces? Look at this set of pictures. They are all the same face as me, but they are just images generated by AI. Let me show you how to do it. First, let's create an image as we desire using Microsoft Copilot. Since we wish to create an image of a vlogger, let's use this prompt. Feel free to copy this. I will leave a prompt in the comments section. Paste the prompt into Microsoft Copilot. Then download the created image based on your preferences. Now, ready a picture with your face and the image generated earlier by Copilot. Go to Google and search for faceswapper.io. Click Start Face Swapping. Click the first face to replace it with our original image. Click the picture that contains your face and click Open to upload. Click Confirm. Now click the second image. Upload the AI image. Click Swap Face now. Wait for it to process. We've successfully swapped our image. Let's compare the difference between the two images. Let's compare the difference between the two images. This is the original. This one is the result of the face swapping, and this image now has the same face as me. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you.